Japanese tuning company Damned has once again pushed the boundaries of automotive customization with their latest kits for the Honda N-Box. Known for its compact size and practicality, the N-Box has become a popular K car in Japan. However, Damned saw an opportunity to inject a bit more flair and personality into this tiny van, introducing two exciting custom kits, Angie and Rodney. These kits are designed to give the N-Box a whole new identity, allowing owners to transform their K car into something that stands out on the streets and even resembles a mini Range Rover. The first of the two kits, the Angie, is aimed at those who want to add a bit of rugged charm to their N-Box. The Angie kit brings a crossover-inspired look to both the regular Honda N-Box and the N-Box Joy, which is a camper variant. The standout feature of the Angie kit is the redesigned front end, which is clearly inspired by the Range Rover's imposing grille design. It features a larger grille, complete with 4 position lights, giving the N-Box a more aggressive, yet refined look. The front bumper has also been redesigned, with new intakes and a skid plate for added off-road toughness. To further enhance the crossover appeal, Damned offers additional customization options like checkered decals for the profile, which give the N-Box a rally-inspired vibe. For those looking to take the adventure-ready aesthetic even further, the Angie kit can be combined with aftermarket upgrades, including 15-inch Nitro Power M6 carbine alloy wheels, a suspension lift kit from Tanabe, and a roof rack. These features will give your N-Box the look and feel of a rugged off-road vehicle, all while retaining its compact K-car dimensions. However, it's important to note that Damned's Angie kit doesn't offer any performance upgrades, as the N-Box still carries its standard 658 cubic centimeters engine, producing up to 64 horsepower depending on the trim. On the other hand, the Rodney kit caters to a more premium audience, specifically designed for the Honda N-Box Custom. This kit offers a more refined, road-oriented look, giving the N-Box a sleek, sophisticated appearance. The Rodney kit upgrades the headlights with unique LED graphics and adds a full-width LED bar, providing a more modern and luxurious look to the K car. The front bumper remains similar to the Angie kit, though the overall design is more polished, reflecting the more upscale nature of the N-Box Custom. The Rodney kit also includes side garnishes and sharper side skirts, which help to enhance the sporty and premium appeal of the vehicle. One of the most distinctive features of the Rodney kit is the addition of copper accents, which further elevate the luxury feel, making the N-Box look like a baby Range Rover Evoque. Additionally, the black alloy wheels that come with the Rodney kit are already fitted on the N-Box Custom, completing the upscale transformation. Despite these stylish and striking upgrades, both kits, Angie and Rodney, do not offer any performance modifications. The N-Box, even with the new kits, still relies on the same small engine with either 58 or 64 horsepower, depending on the model. That said, the kits give the car a bold new appearance, whether you're looking to take it off-road with the Angie kit or make it more refined with the Rodney kit. Damned first unveiled the Angie and Rodney kits at the 2025 Tokyo Auto Salon, and now, these customization packages are available to order in Japan. The Angie kit is priced at 258,500 yen, while the Rodney kit comes in at 215,600 yen. These prices don't include optional parts like the wheels, suspension, and roof rack seen in the Angie kit. If you're looking for a unique and stylish way to stand out in your Honda N-Box, Damned's Angie and Rodney kits offer the perfect solution. Whether you prefer the rugged, off-road vibe of the Angie or the luxury crossover look of the Rodney, Damned has created two kits that give the N-Box an exciting new personality.